Wilpattu National Park, Sri Lanka. A leopardess quenching her thirst. This is a man-made waterhole to provide water for animals during drought. Other than drinking, cats get a considerable amount of water from body fluids of prey they consume. Leopards usually drink during dawn and dusk. During dry season, they drink daily, maybe several times a day. Also, after consuming a big meal, they drink a lot of water. During wet season, the frequency of drinking reduces, maybe once every few days.